Let's make lemon pepper salmon bites. So we getting ready to make these fried fish bites, strips, whatever you want to call them. So I have some salmon here that I've already cleaned and I've already taken the skin off. So now I'm just going to cut it. I think I'm gonna cut it into strips per se. Nice, the kitties would like it, you know, it's finger food, so it's easier to handle. So what we have here is we're going to season with garlic powder, and then we have Tony's Creole seasoning, a little bit of seasoning salt, garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, and some salt. And I'm just gonna mix all that together. Make sure I get all these seasonings nice in. This will be good too if you can season and do the egg mixture or milk mixture and set it aside. You know, you could do this ahead of time so it really gets in there. But for this video, we're just gonna go ahead and sweat. So I'm gonna set that to the side. I have a mixing bowl here. I have some milk in here. It's actually half and half. So I have some half and half. Hot sauce. A couple dashes of hot sauce. Egg. We're gonna mix this together. This is half and half egg and hot sauce. So I'm gonna bring back my salmon. And like I said, see, all this could be coated, you know, and then you can use this, set it aside for later. And then you can let this soak and start it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna get ready to get our dry ingredients. So this is our wet. So remember we seasoned the fish, we did the eggs, milk, half and half. So now what I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to get my cornmeal together. Louisiana seasoned fish fry, cornmeal. Go ahead and put some of that in here. I'm gonna put a little more lemon pepper in here. And then all you do, I'm going to take both and I'm going to put it in the cornmeal. So you just want it to get nice and coated. And my fryer is on, nice and hot. Cautious about salt intake. And then you just drop them in there. That you could watch your salt intake. So this is a really good thing, you know. Fried fish. Earlier I made some Parmesan French fries or whatever you want to make with this, but this is an easy way. This is salmon, fried fish salmon. That's a new thing. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to take our fried fish out. Hey, y'all, so we just finished making the lemon pepper salmon bites. I'm getting ready to go in and taste them. I'm excited. So I, of course, used the divinekuizine caramelized sauce as the dipping sauce. And I got some garlic Parmesan French fries here that I made earlier. So, nice, crispy. Let's go in, let's taste. It's good with the Divine Cuisine remoulade sauce. Everything is good with that. Now I'm gonna taste it without it, just to give you what it would taste without anything on it. I can taste lemon pepper. It's good, it's lemony, it's crisp, you know, from that cornmeal crust. I can feel a little kick of the hot sauce, the dash of hot sauce I put in there. These is easy. It's another way. I never really had fried salmon before, but I love salmon. I've been seeing it going around about making these salmon bites, salmon strips. So I said, you know what? Let me give it a try. And I knew it would be good for dipping because with the remoulade sauce, because that gives it more, you know, instead of tartar sauce, you can use this. So it's nice, it's creamy. It gives it another depth of flavor. But this was easy. You just get some fresh salmon. Put your seasonings in there, put it in your milk bath, fry them up, and you're ready to go. To get this recipe and more, go to divinekuizine.com. Love y'all, Chef Shay.